So we're starting. All right, this is a new recording. So, all right, guys. So this is Nick, and I'm doing this online tutorial for you guys here. I got Alex with me, and we're gonna be cleaning up a WordPress website today. That is one of the free levels that you guys can sign in, provide your email address, and you'll be able to create your own, website basically. And I'm going to be showing you guys how GPT systems, like one that I have created through Best Life Services Group, will create custom tailored code. This is something you guys can probably do with just the general GPT chat level. That's a free subscription that I'm pretty sure you can get. But I'm also going to show you another system that I use that's called Cloud. And so that's CLAUD, Cloud. Anyway, so we've got up here, this is a online content business assistant that I built. And so I'm going to go here, and what I want to do is I want to make sure all the things link. So I'm going to go online here. Actually, we're going to go to Facebook because we want to pull up a Facebook page, and we're going to be Spirit Bam. All right, so we're going to take this link, copy it. We're going to go back over here, and we're going to say create a website outline for Spirit and Truth Awakening for a WordPress website. Include the link, include a hyperlink, because that's anytime you have a text on your website or your social media that's highlighted, where if you put the cursor over it or you press on it on your mobile device and it links to the website or a different page, that's called a hyperlink. So I'm asking it to hyperlink the Facebook page for people to Bang and provide an inspirational home page outline that engages and welcomes guests to the channel, and have sections where video links and blogs can be posted after, with designated sections for artwork and images and media. Okay, I'm asking it to create an outline. Now I ask it to do the outline first, because if you ask it to do something that's complex in a simple way, like, hey, build me a website that does that, it's going to create something, if it anything, like, it's not going to be what you want. And trust me, you don't want a robot response anyway. Like, this is a way to engage AI to create what you want, with your own like ideas and messages in a clear way, so that you're not just spouting out nonsense, because it will if you ask it to. And I think that might be part of the problem today, is there's so much BS out there, that we have the ability to create quality content right at our fingertips. And so anybody with a creative mindset that's like me, previously been limited in their ability to like program, like I don't know how to build code and write. Now that problem isn't there anymore, at all. So this outline here, it's got the whole outline of everything we want. Okay, now this is just a little like habit I do. I don't actually write the code with ChatGPT anymore, because I found a new AI system that's called Cloud AI. And I have the professional plan, but if you do go to Cloud, there's a free version that it gives you a few of these high level requests for free. So like if you're trying to get really good code, like real clean code, you can go to this website and it'll give you a couple of the first free ones. You can at least get like a good website professionally laid out, literally for free. So I'm going to go in here and I'm going to say, with the I'm gonna say use the following. And another cool thing about this is, I don't know if you need. I think you need the professional plan. You may not. It might be the regular plan, but you can link your Google Drive so that like it'll automatically pull documents from your Google Drive and like become familiar with whatever it is you're working on. Like you can create your own custom projects. Like right here, you can bring your own code. All different files and work with other people that want to work on it as well. Create an outline for Spirit and Truth Awakening website with the following outlines.
I guess like I don't know really. My images have been kind of like a gold.
Yeah.
Like rounded like that.
Yep.
Hewish.
So like okay, yeah. Christian themed gold artistic and metaphysical. That's like mysterious. Metaphysical themed. Paste. Bam. Let's see what we get out of this.
Or you can only get that.
Yeah, I can do that right from here. Yeah, so you want this to replace that, right?
Pretty much, yeah.
Okay, good. Because that's what I'm doing. And then you could create a YouTube channel. Yeah, all your stuff, dude. Like you could just, as you have time, create a YouTube, create an Instagram. Because like...
Would your chat, your
all of it, bro. It's specifically set up to do that. It's programmed specifically to... I put like PDFs in there about like how to monetize content and create like the right labels and the right wording for all the type, like...
So I could just be like, can you help me create?
Yes. In seconds. Literally in seconds. So here's your page, bro. Wow. You can put your own photos here. Okay, this is, so if you go, I don't know how you do this on a device, but if you go up here to options, it'll pull this tab up and you can have the visual editor, which is where you'll write in your own stuff, you know, like line by line, and then you'll choose like, I want a quote. I want
customize it all.
Yeah, like yeah. So like if you have the actual HTML code already written and you don't need to do all that, you can just go here and you go to code editor. And you go to code editor, and then you just go right here and you put your code in. Then you go up here to your title. Do you have any slogans or anything you want? Like a good like something that will help identify what it's about. Like I mean, Spirit and Truth Awakening gives a good clue already, but like if you want to get, you know, like
Up is this right here, Spirit and Truth Awakening, unveiling biblical.
Okay, yep. See, perfect. Yep, because now that'll tell them like, oh, this is a site, a website.
Like pictures like that, like could I transfer these pictures to what you're doing right now? Like
yeah, and you could use Trello to help you with that, bro. Truth.
Like we are committed to spreading the gospel, diving deep into scripture, and equipping believers with biblical truth.
Yeah. Like if you want, bro. Oh, see, you could copy and paste that to. I deleted that already, but like that page when you refresh it probably won't be there anymore.
Oh, really?
Yeah, but you could copy that.
And right now?
Yeah.
Because I told you, dude, that I kind of did things jacked up, so I don't know if there's some more things we got to delete.
You know, well, no, I saw the one page you do have.
You did see that, so you know what.
You only have, you've got one page set up, which is how my first website, for my blog was, I did the same thing you did.
Because I didn't know what else.
Dude, I did the same thing.
Did you?
It was one page the whole time.
Yeah. Okay.
I didn't have any other pages. It didn't link to nothing, dude. It was just one, and then I just kept adding to it.
It was just a visual.
Yeah, dude. I just added pictures here. Dude, I did the same exact. That's how I learned too, dude. Like same exact way. If you hit Control A, that's gonna highlight everything.
All right.
Okay, then I can delete that, and then I hit Control V. That's gonna paste. Yeah. And then I'm gonna exit the code editor. So that's what we have now, the outline.
Okay.
And then like you can literally go in and add your pictures.
Okay.
You know, like
So it's not gonna do those themes like you said. Like, or is that coming up still?
now they're converted to blocks. Sometimes you say create the code without the CSS code in it. Include that separately. I didn't spell separately right. I don't care. Yeah, we gotta have it do two separate things. Because there's two sets of code. Like, one code is for the website, and then there's another different place you have to go to that will program what the website looks like. Like, the style of, like, the layout and the color and the font and all that.
Right.
Like, yeah, this, like, the free version, you have to actually put all this stuff in. Otherwise, there's plugins that'll do all this for you now. So here's the HTML. And then if you go Alt-Tab is going to bring you to the other screen. And you can select which one you want. Go back over here, code editor, Control Delete, Control V, save, view. That looks a lot better.
Yeah.
And then you can go in, you know, like edit that, like put your own pictures in. So like,
wait, what is that? They've added in a
just
cross
yeah, they're just random. They're not actual pictures. They're suggestion stuff.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. So none of this stuff is linked right now, but we can go in and edit. So like, so you want them combined into one. The home page you want to set up like the other one, right? Like your home page. Like when you log in, because right now they're set up as two different pages, so like we would have to find a way to link them together. But I can get rid of your home page and include it into what we're making now.
Right. All I want is whatever we make. I want it to be see this link right here on my Facebook page. Like if you click that link, I want it to go to our new, like the functional and not just the looks. Because this is just for looks. This was just gonna buy me some time to try to figure it out whenever I'd have time to do something like this.
Right.
Yeah. But like, is there any way you could get those images into this, or no? Is that gonna be too tough?
No, it should be fine. And then you can go in now, and like you'll go in and you'll add another page, and that'll be your read more page. Like then you'll link it to that, and then it'll link to that page where you'll have just a whole read more page. You know, so this is how you build out your website. Like you make another page, and that'll be your Explore Studies page. You know, and you could have a whole page of all your Bible studies, like all the different Bible verses you like.
Okay, so now it's just adding.
Yeah, just adding each new page. You know, you go to add up at the top right here. Add. Well, this is where you edit this part. So this is where you can add your videos and stuff.
Okay.
You know, so like right here, like if you wanted to, like
So those quick links will actually work if I get.
Like what? You have to fill them in. Like you have to link them together. But the Facebook one should. Oh no, let's do that right now. Right there. Bam, there's your social media link. Then you can just go in and you'll add your YouTube link. You'll go in, add your Instagram link. Boom, save. Right here, like prayer requests, like we can hyperlink that. Add, what's the email?
Oh, this email, I haven't created it yet.
We'll just use your other one, dude.
Just use that.
Yeah.
Okay, yep.
There we go. So like people can send prayer requests. We could have.
So that's linked up. So prayer requests.
Yeah. So like if they click on it, it'll pull up your email address.
Really?
Yeah. Then you can just add in stuff. You know, Bible studies, quick links. Like, and then when we start doing our Bible studies, we can have it boom, link to the Bible study.
Really?
Yeah.
So how do I do that for like the current events quick link and all that? Like, how do I go about doing that when I'm editing it?
You'll just like you'll go in here to create a link. So there'll be a little thing that says link, and then you'll click it, and then you just literally paste in the actual website link of that page.
So when somebody clicks on that current events and prophecy quick link down there in the bottom right,
yeah,
what will it go to? How do I make it go? So Why up there and not down here at that quick link? But that associates with that button down there. Go back up. I wasn't reading that. So that's the current. Okay, I see what you're. I wasn't even reading that. But okay, now I got you. So that's where I put it all in, and then that would go to the. So you wouldn't have to. You would just click on that, and it would go to the stuff that you were linking to up there.
Because you make multiple pages now.
And that's what that is.
And then so then like once you make that page, you highlight the website up here, this whole part at the top, the whole website address.
Okay.
And then you go down here and you go link, and then you paste that in there.
Oh wow. Okay.
Yep. Thing with your Facebook, like right there. I don't know why I didn't save. So I'm gonna copy your Facebook. Look, copy, and then I'm gonna paste that in there. And now it's linked. So now you will actually be able to go to your Facebook page just when they click on that.
Okay, so now let's look at the very top again and see what it looks like. Okay, so Spirit and Truth Awakening, Biblical Truth, let it explore.
Dude, is that other page we worked on? Spirit and Truth Awakening, Biblical Truth. Like this one?
What about it?
Like these are two different pages, so I can link these two now.
What would that do if we link it?
Then you can just work on, you'll have two pages you can work on right now. So copy.
Oh, okay.
So I'll go to the other one now.
So that could be you're just saying to fill in space for like one of the quick links or whatever.
Yeah, exactly.
Oh,
that's the old one.
So that one would be non-existent, right, by the time we're done?
Yeah, it should be. Here. Where it says join the awakening, or no, we'll go, which one do you want to work on first? Which page? Your Bible studies page?
And whatever link that is, that's where I put that, and I just literally drag it into there.
Yeah, like if you wanted to put one in right now, you just paste the link right in here.
Link, bam. And
yeah.
Then that quick link down there, lower, they can click on that quick link, and it'll bring them to that page.
Where?
Where's that quick link is?
Yeah, wherever I highlight that quick link, like whatever I'm selecting, whatever button, whatever link I put in that button will bring them there.
So is that not okay? So if you scroll down, is that what is this? What is that group of?
These are a separate part of your website. This is your whole website. This is the top of your website. This is the bottom. So these are two different sections. Like this is your whole website. This is the top, this is the bottom. So like this part has nothing to do with this part. You can just put things there.
Oh, so they're just more stuff.
They're just a template. Yeah, it's a template. Like you can put whatever you want into this
pages.
Yeah, if you wanted to. Yeah, if you wanted to.
Oh wow. Okay.
Like
cool.
This is just an outline. So like how it should look when you're
Yep. Fire.
And so that that link's there. So okay, it's already saved. So go back. So now you can go here and change this into your Bible
study.
Yeah. Yep. Yeah. Or just whatever you want with it. Yeah, just delete it all and just start fresh. Yeah, that's part of what you already worked on. So you can build off it. You can it's still built into your website. You can change it into whatever you want. Yeah, you should be good now. Adjust it too, though. Like sometimes you have to tell it, like,
bro,
adjust this code. Yeah, Heidi's gonna crap her pants, bro.
How come it doesn't have that? Dang it! Is it just because it's on my?
Yeah, I was just about to tell you. On a mobile device, you have to.
Oh yeah, because that even is on other ones that I visited before. It's where it's like mobile version or desktop version.
Yeah. So like you can tell it though, like, hey, write this code so that it's tailored to mobile devices. And it'll rewrite the code so that you can read it better. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is how you build a website in less than an hour. Well, not a whole website, but an outline and get a great start that would normally cost thousands of dollars and lots of time. So, have a good one. Keep shining.